So in today's video, the whole point is basically going to be to make the Mustang black again. If you notice right here, the bottom of the hood is a little bit red, the deck lid's silver, and we have a yellow gas cap. We got to make sure we get the primer all mixed up nice and thin, because this is some thick stuff. And now underneath the hood is a black. A little bit stripy, but it's alright. And here's the deck lid. As you can see, it's already basically sanded. We did most of it at the shop. And like I said, deck lid's mostly sanded. Luckily, Nathan picked up this 2-inch DA here. It helped a lot, actually, on this deck lid.
Oh, hell yeah.
And now my favorite part, spraying. I was constantly battling air pressure issues. The air compressor that we were using is not recommended for spraying, so just keep that in mind. And this was the part that had me worried the most, just because of how large the hood is. But as you can see in the video, I'm struggling with the air pressure the entire time I'm spraying the hood here. That's what you're kind of seeing here. We call them tiger stripes, and it's the stripes on the hood. Was a little bit more hopeful for the trunk, just because it's a smaller size, but it seems like it's striping also.
See the cup like squishing.
Yeah.
Thing's gonna look rhino lined.
Man, and I was not kidding. Rhino line, or as Nathan would say, skateboard grip tape is what she's looking like right now. But the whole goal of the video is to make the car black again, kind of by any means. We didn't have the right air compressor. I did have the right guns and whatnot, but the air compressor was really the main struggle, along with weather. It was 87 degrees with high humidity this day. Not ideal for spraying.
We got the hood, the gas cap, and the deck lid off of Nathan's Mustang. Yellow door handle. The idea is right now is to make it all black again. I sprayed these fenders already. My honest opinion, I do not think the hood and deck lid came out as nice. The air compressor is not made for spraying. It loses pressure instantly, so I was just battling high-low pressure the entire time. But it's black.
Quick thermostat change.
That was quick.
Yeah. It would have been quicker if I would have decided to take the housing apart from the lower hose first. I thought I could work around that, and it kind of slowed me down.
Let's say a 5-minute change up, so pretty good.
Yeah, it helps that the coolant wasn't bloody hot.
Yeah, right.
We went ahead and resprayed one last coat with an electronic sprayer. It was my first time ever messing with one, and honestly, it was not terrible. It did give a lot wetter of a look.
Still definitely could have turned out better. Oh my goodness, some grass blew up over here.
And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the Mustang is mostly black. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it so much. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.